With sweet potato, I made this recipe for the afternoon snack. Easy and delicious. Let's learn. Let's start by cooking a large sweet potato. Mine is already done. Now we're going to peel it. Guys, before I forget, comment down here the city you're watching it from, okay? Done that, let's mash the potato. Enjoying this moment, I want to send a special hug to Dean Cam from Philippines. She liked and commented on our video, thanking us for sharing our recipe. Thanks, Dean. Do we like Dean, guys? Comment and like our video so I can send you a special hug too. Now let's take a cup of the mashed sweet potato and put in another bowl. After that, let's add 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of honey so our recipe can be very sweet. And let's stir a lot so everything can be homogeneous. Let's also add 3 cups of powdered milk. If you're here yet, it's a sign that you liked our recipe, so don't forget to like and comment the video, share it with your friends. This action helps us a lot to always bring new recipes for you, okay? And now let's add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to let our bread super fluffy. Now you just have to shape it and put on a form. Can you believe that? It's that easy. For the shaping, you can use your creativity. Now guys, after shaping is just put it on the form and take it to the preheated oven to 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Be careful because this bread gets ready in a heartbeat. And my bread is ready around here, and look at this delicious, guys. It's super tasty and it's healthy because it's made with sweet potato, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. Don't forget to rate me from 0 to 10, okay? It is super crunchy on the outside but super fluffy on the inside. Make it at your house. And I'm leaving now. See you on the next video, guys. Goodbye.